Hey guys, and welcome back.
We're back in the park.
For context,
Yep.
They need context why we can't. This is like the 18th time we've tried to start recording this.
We're getting delusional. We're struggling. Delirious, not delusional.
No, but actually we're really excited to be back in the park today because we are finally doing the sound deadening.
Yeah, so I think the back half of the truck has basically been out for a couple of weeks now.
Oh, it has been unwell, the state in the back of the truck. She's noisy.
Yes.
Things are flying around. We're over it, so we're here finally installing the sound deadening.
We're actually going up to Brisbane in a few days' time as well to start the roof conversion.
So excited.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it all kind of transform. We're kind of hoping to get the sound deadening in before we do a kind of 9-hour drive.
Wish us luck.
Yeah, so that's going to be fun. You're kind of working on the sound deadening mainly.
I am, so that is my job today. Andrew's going to be on ripping up the carpet because the original carpet has had a life.
Yeah.
The carpet on my side is actually basically falling apart, so we decided to get new carpet. You're going to do all the heavy lifting when it comes to pulling out the seats, installing that.
Yeah.
I do what I can.
Yeah, you do.
And I'm going to be doing the sound deadening, so we're going to kind of go through and get it ready as we can for the install next week.
Yeah.
And then once it's done, essentially the build is like out of our hands from this point.
So the interior fit out company, they almost take over once we're back from Brisbane. It's all kind of gearing up now. It's all kind of starting to settle in and things are making a big change. So I'm excited and you'll see us kind of rip into this now.
We're really lucky in the sense that Andrew's dad was coming to visit us this week. So Andrew had the bright idea to bring his toolkit over and it's just made life so much easier already. I don't know how we didn't think of this sooner, but essentially we've just been cutting off so much time already, so I'm really excited to get it done. If I can actually get it done.
Whoa, that's tight.
So now what?
Do the other side. Go for it. The next one.
That one came out. Maybe I was doing it wrong this whole time.
Nice.
I think I've got a new technique, look. Maybe I was doing it wrong this whole time.
New technique works, I like it.
New technique is the actual way to do it.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo! So this is done for the day.
Yeah.
Girl power.
Oh, actually, I didn't get these ones out as well.
Oh, that's an Andrew job.
Park Ranger's going to be out for that.
The park ranger is so here for it.
Today's another day. I had a trim. You're in different clothes. Obviously, it is a different day now, and we didn't get anything close to what we were expecting to get done yesterday.
No, I actually think we're learning how hard it is to get things done. Obviously it's hard, we knew that, but the amount of time it actually takes and the problems that happen, we were a little bit naive.
I think our biggest problem as well is the fact that we started yesterday afternoon.
At 3 o'clock, thinking, it'll be fine.
We had about hour and a half of daylight to try get, full front interior trim done, interior carpet done.
Sound deadening, covering all the holes. It was... Yeah, we were a little bit deflated yesterday, so
we were optimistic.
We had Messina, we had Betty's, we're starting fresh today.
It is a new day, it's earlier in the day.
Yeah, earlier in the day, so we're hoping to get everything done today. Essentially, we actually do need to get things done because the roof conversion's getting fitted in 3 days, so we kind of need things off, ready to go, because then once we've got that back, it's straight to getting its installed.
Yeah,
so.
we don't have much time left to kind of have it for ourselves to work on.
Yeah.
I think, we almost don't have the car for probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
So feeling a little bit overwhelmed.
Stressed.
But we're going to be fine. We're going to get into things now, and fingers crossed by the end of this video, everything's done. I mean, who knows with us and the rate we do things. So,
it won't be, but let's see how we go.
Are those your protective glasses?
I wasn't exactly planning on doing this straight away, so I am. these are basically the old support brackets for the seats. So I'm just going to drill these out, we can fill up the holes, and then we can just put the sound deadening just on this little patch here, just to kind of remove that vibration. Let's remove those and see how we go.
Woohoo!
It's one off.
Don't tell me you just drilled a hole in it.
Yeah, I just drilled 4 holes in the car.
Why?
Because we have to.
For what purpose?
Because these are for the seat belt. No, they're not. They're not for the seat belt. They are.
I think you're not making sense because you're wearing glasses inside.
Yeah, it's taking them off now.
It makes sense
so
now.
this is the bracket to hold the rear seat in, or at least one of them. But we also have no use for this anymore, and it kind of just takes up space. This is where our cabinetry is going to be. It just means that we've freed up a bit more space here, and I think our inverter is potentially going to live here. We're just gonna have to see how the build goes, but please, that's one off, and we'll do one more.
One down, one to go. Whoop whoop.
Absolutely.
So we've got a whole bunch of sound deadener. We've probably got enough and then some.
Yeah, look, trying to do this at the park makes it difficult because it's so windy today. Yesterday it wasn't. So everything's flying in. Great for laying stuff on the back of the old girl. Everyone I've kind of talked to has recommended this and has said how amazing it is, so we have gone with this. What it does, because the back of a Defender there's not a lot going on, it's just basically just bare metal, you can kind of hear just how thin it is. So when we're driving along the road, it's super loud, it vibrates a lot. So the sound deadening stuff basically just tries to prevent any vibration. So then when this is down, it's super solid. You can kind of hear the difference already, just from that. We're going to be laying this down, or, well, I probably won't be. Max will be.
I'll be doing it.
Yeah, you'll be doing that while I'm ripping the seats out to start the new carpet. I've already got one seat out, which is great. 4 bolts and we're done. We're going to see how we go. Should be super easy. We don't even have to cut these down to size. 3 of them just sit side by side, which is amazing. We're just going to go kind of overkill with it. I know you don't have to cover the whole surface completely, but just to be on the safe side and make life easy, we're just going to cover everything and make it as quiet as possible, because at the end of the day they're basically just like a little tin can on 4 wheels. So yeah, fingers crossed everything goes to plan.
What I've been going through and doing is getting all the sound deadening lined down. There's quite a few pieces here. They're kind of janky, to be honest. Don't watch up close if you have OCD or anything like that, because they are completely mismatched. But all we really need to do is lay these 3 down here. We're going to do the wheel arches and then the front bay, and then we're good.
Where are we at the moment? At the moment we have taken the front seats out, as you can see, because there's absolutely nothing here, which is great. Making some progress to put the new carpets in. It's bloody filthy. I'm guessing it's never been taken out, any of this, so there's a lot to clean up. This is almost a halfway point of actually getting most of this kind of interior stuff sorted before we go to Brizzy. We basically used a whole box just on the back section, which is pretty good, to be honest. I didn't think a box would go so far. People said I'll probably get away with just 2 boxes of the sound deadening, but I kind of thought 3 boxes at least. But you know, we've used a whole box just on the back. There's only the wheel arches and a little bit on the sides to do. We're probably going to actually put some sound deadening down in here as well in the front. It's super tinny, I think. Just putting like even half a piece down here is going to make a huge difference for us, especially since it's all out before I put the carpet in. So I'll do that, and I'm hoping that, you know, in another, I'd like to say 45 minutes to an hour, we're done. And it's all wrapped up and back together. So you can kind of hear in the previous kind of clip how loud it was. So just put this down and it's just a lot more kind of a deeper thud, I guess you could say, rather than kind of a bit more tinny. I think that's going to make a huge difference. I'll put some more on the other side, and then I can start kind of laying the carpet in, which is going to be cool. I'm looking forward to seeing what the carpet looks like. And I'm hoping it's easy. Nothing ever is, but I'm hoping it is.
We might have had another injury, however, we've actually done really well with the sound deadening. So we're basically done all in the back cabin. We have filled in the little bit there, but you aren't able to see them because it's full of rubbish. We just have these little bits here to do, and then essentially we're done with the sound deadening, which is really, really exciting. Today's been a day full of exciting updates. We've updated the full back, and we've also made progress on the colour change of the car. So we went this morning and had a conversation with our car wrapper, I think that's what you call them, a car wrap specialist, and we picked our colour. So yeah, today we've had a lot of fun things happening with the truck, so I'm super excited about the progress that we've made.
It's the end of the day now. The sun's setting in probably 30 minutes or so. We are lucky we actually started a couple of hours earlier.
So lucky. Imagine if we didn't. I feel like we would be back here tomorrow, which...
Yeah. We would be back here tomorrow, and this, you know, for two things, it's going to be 3 days. It's a bit of a joke.
Yeah, so another big day for us. I think we got through 90% of what we wanted to, so 90%. That's a really good achievement.
Yeah, and then carpet on in the front, it's about 99% done, to be honest. There's like two little pieces, but honestly, I'm just going to touch it up tomorrow. It is what it is. I can't really be bothered doing it right now. I'd rather go get a beer and kind of...
And fingers crossed that comes together.
Yeah, hopefully it comes together and it actually looks half decent at the same time.
Yeah, we've been umming and ahhing for that, so I think now we've made such big headway with it, we're just going to commit.
Yeah.
And hope for the best.
Balls deep, see what happens.
Yeah, so if you've made it this far, thank you for watching.
Stay tuned, and you're going to see a lot of change, I think, over the next 2-3 videos.
Yeah, change is good though, so stick around if you want to see how it unfolds.
Yes, stick around. Oh my god, it is so much quieter.
It's like a new car.
Holy shit, it's so quiet.
We're not even being dramatic, it sounds
like we're in a brand new car compared to like driving around a tractor for the last like 4 months.
It reminds me of the Ranger.
It's incredible. It literally sounds like a new car. The noise is just, it's just like a mellow hum. It's insane.
So we're very excited about that.
I didn't expect it to be this good.
We are winning.
I'm so stoked.
So we just thought we'd tune in and give an update. Life is good.
Life's good.